If your shower pressure dropped suddenly instead of fading slowly over time, the cause is usually different than you'd expect, and finding it starts with one comparison. Turn on a faucet elsewhere in the house. If it's also weak, the issue likely isn't the shower at all. Check whether the main water valve was recently touched, and ask whether any nearby plumbing work could have introduced air or debris into the lines. If only the shower is affected, check whether the drop depends on temperature. Turn the water fully cold, then fully hot, and compare the flow. If cold water is strong but hot or mixed water is weak, the problem is likely the pressure balancing cartridge, mixing valve, or a restriction in the hot water supply itself, not the shower head. If both hot and cold are equally weak, remove the shower head and run water directly from the arm. Strong flow without the head means the shower head is blocked. Most shower heads also contain a flow restrictor built into the head or its connecting washer. Soak the head in white vinegar to dissolve mineral deposits. Scrub the nozzles and restrictor with a soft brush, then reattach it. If flow is still weak with the head removed, the restriction is further back in the plumbing and may involve sediment stirred loose from recent pipe work or, in rare cases, a hidden leak elsewhere in the system. At that point, it's worth involving a plumber rather than opening more of the wall. Work through these in order, since the fix depends entirely on where the restriction is hiding. If this helped explain the sudden drop, subscribe for more direct home repair guides.